Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play D. Va in Overwatch 2 as a beginner. D. Va is a highly mobile tank hero, perfect for diving into enemy lines and protecting your team. Her mech boasts 600 health, with 300 of that being armor, making her quite durable. When her mech is destroyed, she ejects as Baby D. Va, a smaller, squishier version, but can call a new mech after building ultimate charge. Now, let's combine what you have learned to play a song. Start by identifying the song's melody and its underlying chord progression. Typically, your right hand will play the melody, focusing on clear and expressive articulation of each note. Simultaneously, your left hand will provide the harmonic foundation by playing the appropriate chords. This two-hand coordination is key to creating a rich and full sound. For advanced troubleshooting, try toggling airplane mode on and off for about 10 seconds to refresh your network connection. Some users find that making a voice call on a second device, while playing on your primary phone, can help stabilize ping. Always ensure your PUBG mobile application and your phone's operating system are updated to their latest versions. If you still face persistent issues, consider resetting your phone's network settings, which can resolve deeper connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.